This is a standard Aqara motion sensor, and normally you're going to have the stand on the end here. But to get into this compartment and replace the battery is a simple twist. So right here at the bottom, you're going to find that you can actually twist on that. If you can't get it, maybe just attach some tape, or if you still have the stand attached, you can just actually do that. Now it's different with a P1 sensor. I have a different video on that, so check that out. Now the battery is going to be inside of the compartment. It's a 2450 that I'm using here, and that's it. You just need to place it in the bottom, and then you make sure that the positive side is up here, and you're going to twist this back on. In terms of lining up things, you can see right here, this little notch is what you want to line up, and then you're just going to twist it until you hear a click, and now you're done. Now, if it's paired with a hub already, you're good to go. It should repair with that hub, and otherwise you have the reset button here that you can hold to restart the repairing process. So you just saw it there. Now I let go. That would have disconnected it from a hub, so don't do that. Don't hold that button unless you need to reconnect it to another hub.